Look at his little face. Oh my God. He's so cute. I just love him. This is my sister and my brother's puppy. He's brand new. Wait. Look at him, guys. Him just a little boy. Him just a little puppy. Oh, I love him. I'm gonna have to steal this puppy from them. He's staying with me. You wanna stay with me, boy? Look at that little face. I'm just a little boy. He's so cute. He's sleepy. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say I'm tired. I had a long ride. Yes, I had a long ride. Come here, Ace. Come here, Ace. You got you toys. Not my hand, boy. Play with your toys. Here. Here. You want a nana? You want a nana?
Right.
Don't eat that. Ace, really? Look at his leg stuck. Really, Ace? You see these toys right here? You see these toys? But you want a shoe instead. No, eat that toy. There you go. AC.
They're only expecting me to stay here, right?
Yeah. I pick up the extra jobs because I'm saving to buy a house.
Oh.
Yeah, I came here a few years ago and
Ouch! Ouch!
You need to stop biting.
Ouch! Ouch! Get over there! You little bunny hopper. You little bunny hopper. Ouch. Ouch.
I'd like to see that.
Okay, so we are doing a seafood boil for Mother's Day. So I had the corn going. I got the potatoes. The potatoes are going. Potatoes. I'm just mixing in the corn with the shrimp in here, getting it all nice and mixed in here. And then I'm gonna add the potatoes, of course, so that get the seafood boil, fish.
It's in a tall white
Chicken,
can.
and a big head baby, some cornbread, crabs.
Oh, I just messed up. You gotta get.
Seafood boil.
Well,
Okay, so I'm out and about and I'm putting the finishing touches on my mom's gift. As you guys saw, we did the crab seafood boil thing yesterday. So I just ran to the store because I needed to get these containers and the tea. So I wanted to put together, my mom loves tea, so I wanted to put together this tea tray for her. So I just like ran to Burlington really quickly to put this tea tray together. Hold on, let me sit you guys down so I can actually do this while I talk. Okay, so I'm in the parking lot and I'm putting together the tea tray. So I have peppermint here. Whoops, whoopsie. I have peppermint. Oh, duh, that's why I put it here. I have peppermint, and then I have chamomile and honey, and then I have lemon ginger. So I also have the lemon ginger tea. So I'm just gonna put that in. So I'm just like taking packs and then just placing it right inside of the bucket, well, the bin. Just put it right in the bin. Neater than this, obviously. Hold on. So yeah, I'm just putting it right in the bin, just like this. Making sure I fill it up to the top so she has enough. And then I just stick one right in the front so that she can actually see what it is. Just like that. So just take it, put it right in the front, and then just bend that down a little bit. Hold on. Just gonna bend that down a little bit. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but I don't know what to tell you. Well, I don't know where to put you because I'm in the car. So I got nowhere else to put you guys with in the holder. Sorry. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me fix the peppermint because the peppermint is wilding. And I could have just went home and did this, honestly, but I'm gonna be out for a little bit and I want to make sure I get my mom her gift. So I didn't want to like leave. I didn't want to have to go back home unless I have to. But yeah, so here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it can fit 14 packs. So I'm just gonna put one more peppermint at the top here. Right there. All right. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty. And then it just has this really cute lid. So just like that. And then, Jesus. And then just sit the lid right on top. Just like that. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty, right? I love this. All right. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then it just has the tea, just like that. And this is super pretty, isn't it? My mom is gonna love this. So just take it out and you have your tea. She's really gonna like this because my mom loves tea. So I wanted to make sure I'm getting, when you give gifts, make sure you give gifts for the person. Don't give gifts based on what you like. Give gifts based on what they like. So I'm like looking at all the Mother's Day stuff and it's like fragrances, jewelry, stuff like that. And like my mom doesn't like any of that. My mom doesn't wear jewelry. Obviously she'll love a good fragrance or a lotion, like obviously, but at the same time, it's just like she gets bombarded with that stuff. So I wanted to give her something that I know, like something else, just something different. So I figured something like this she would really, really love because she loves tea. And then I am also making her candle box over here, fragrant box over here. So I have some Bath & Body Works candles, and I have some scented hangers. I'm also giving her some candles. So I have Bath & Body Works. She loves Bath & Body Works candles. So I have Champagne Toast. And then I have Tiki Beach. So these are the candles that she's getting. And then I also have these fragrance hangers in here that you can just like hang up around your house or your car. So I put these in here as well. And hold on, let me move my purse. I got this really cute box here. I got it from Burlington. It's a really pretty box. So it's just one of those hard boxes that literally you just close and it like snaps closed like that. So this is the box that I got her to put everything in, and she's going to love this. Okay, so let me show you guys the finished box. So this is the box. So you open it, and I put the tea inside of some plastic. So the tea's sitting in here inside of the plastic. I put the 2 little fragrance things in the center, and then the candles on the ends. So I'm just gonna like lay these flat to close the box, just like that. Just like that. So this is the finished box for my Mother's Day gift. Super cute, isn't it? All right, so this is the finished box. So I'm gonna make sure I get this to my mom today, and then, you know, we're good to go. All right, so I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore today, honestly, because I'm just gonna like, it's really nice outside. As you can see, it's beautiful. So it's really nice outside. I'm just going to enjoy my Sunday, because, you know, usually I don't like to vlog on Sundays, but because it's Mother's Day, I wanted to show you guys this box. But I'm not going to do anything else I'm not going to vlog for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. And happy Mother's Day to all of the moms out there. And I'm going to hopefully get home in time to edit this vlog to post it tonight. So if I don't, then it will be up next week, or maybe tomorrow. But anyway, so yeah, this is my finished Mother's Day box. And happy Mother's Day to all of the moms out there. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my upcoming week. As you know, I take you guys through my week. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. And bye, guys.